The biggest Insta360 X6 leak, yet has just blown the door wide open on what could be the most significant 360-degree camera upgrade in years. We aren't talking about blurry renders or vague forum rumors anymore. Fresh retail-ready packaging leaks, hardware comparisons, and detailed spec sheets have surfaced, revealing everything from massive battery improvements to a potential global launch. If these details hold true, the X6 is about to redefine what a compact pocket camera can do. The leaks start right on the front of the retail box, confirming the official branding. Insta360 X6 8K 360 camera. But turn to the side of the packaging, and three massive selling points jump out. Pure video mode, a dedicated mode designed to drastically clean up low-light performance for nighttime shooting and tricky lighting. Upgraded 8K recording capability. Leaked interface screens point to 8K at 50 frames per second, a major step up from the X5's 30 frames per second cap, delivering smoother motion and clean high-resolution slow-motion options. Replaceable lenses 2.0, an updated, more durable system making it easier to swap out lenses after outdoor dings or scratches. Perhaps the biggest surprise of the entire leak is power endurance. According to the packaging details, the Insta360 X6 can record up to an incredible 140 minutes of continuous 8K 30 frames per second 360 video. To put that in perspective, the previous X5 tapped out around 93 minutes on its standard battery, or roughly 115 minutes in endurance mode. That gives the X6 nearly 47 extra minutes of high-resolution recording time. A massive win for travelers, vloggers, and anyone filming long sessions without wanting to constantly juggle battery swaps. Hardware design has also seen a subtle shift. Real-world comparison photos show that instead of simply stretching the chassis, Insta360 has engineered the X6 to be shorter, wider, and more compact while preserving its signature dual-lens setup. It boasts a lower center of gravity on selfie sticks and slips effortlessly into a pocket. As for what comes in the box, the leaked Essentials bundle packs a serious punch. The camera itself, plus an extra extreme battery. The 114 centimeters invisible selfie stick. A dedicated charging case, lens cap, and protective pouch. When it comes to pricing, retail leaks point to a standard model starting around €689, with the Essentials bundle hitting roughly €789, about a €100 bump over the previous generation. With an expected global launch just around the corner, you're paying slightly more, but getting a massive battery leap, 8K 50 frames per second video, and a refined portable frame in return. Is the Insta360 X6 shaping up to be your next camera upgrade? Or are you sticking with your current rig? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, hit subscribe, and I'll keep you updated the moment official news drops.